Okay, just lost one of my headlights on them again. That one. On the camera it actually doesn't seem very obvious, but that one is not working on the normal dip beam. So inside I got very limited illumination over to the left, but look what happens when you switch your fog lights on. Look at that, what an amazing load of difference. I wasn't expecting it to make that much difference. So there you go, there's a quick tip. If you lose one of your headlights, if your car's equipped with the front fog lights, just you know, drive with your fog lights on until you get it fixed. I mean, I don't know, technically I'm guessing you're probably not supposed to, but when you think that with these kind of, a lot of these really newer cars with these like stupidly bright xenon headlights, they cause so much glare anyway, you know, I say compared to them, you know, who cares, just drive with your fog lights on until you get it fixed the next day or whatever. That's what I'm going to do anyway.